All right, welcome. If you don't know us, I am Lindsay.
I'm Chris.
And today we're going to be chatting about what is the best way to pick your wedding song, whether it's your first dance, father-daughter dance, mother-son dance. We got you covered here on Ballroom. So let's talk a little bit about that, shall we?
Some people have a song that they've listened to forever. Since the very beginning, it's their song, and that's an easy choice. But we find that most people that come in don't have one of those songs.
No.
And most of the time, it's whatever she wants.
So if you have one already, awesome. If you don't, we actually have a top 10 list for your first dance, mother, son, and father-daughter up on our website, which you can go check that out to see if you like any of those.
We also have full song libraries on our website of not just the top 10, but like 30, 40, 50 songs in each category of first dance, mother, son, father-daughter, which you can go scroll through the entire library. And in that library, in our top 10 of each category, next to the dance, next to the artist, it also says what dance fits best to it. So we have all of our dances, 3 wedding dances so far, our wedding style Viennese waltz, rumba, and our foxy. And each one of those songs has a certain beat or timing to it that each one of those dances fits best to. So we've written down next to the library, next to the top 10, which dance fits best. If you don't find your song in the library, you can either email us directly through there, you can comment in this video below, and we can go find the song, listen to it, and then tell you what it best fits to.
Yes, so basically, we've got a lot of options for you if you don't know what to do, and if you do know what to do, awesome.